Welcome to this next training session on the vent system. In this video, I want to show you how you go about selling products on lay-by. So you sell products on lay-by when a customer comes in and say, I want to pay an amount now, but my sister is coming tomorrow to pay another amount and another family member is going to come the day after to pay the balance, as an example. That is when you then need to use the lay-by option. It is when there are going to be multiple payments over a number of days that the customer wants to make. So in this, I've already created a customer. It's Mr. Peter Maleta, and he now wants to make multiple payments on the products that he wants to buy. So let's say, for example, the customer wants to buy a casket, but it's not here on the shortcut keys. You need to go search for that casket. So let's type in CC, for example, and the customer wants the CC Dutch sliding. I will then click on CC Dutch sliding, and there it appears on the right-hand side. And the customer then also wants again some flowers, Angel 7, and let's say an Angel 10. So let's say these are all the items that the customer wants. The total of the amount is 27,000 Rand. Now the customer says, okay, I want to pay 5 or 7,000 Rand for now. My sister is going to come in and pay another amount the following day. You click on pay. What you then need to do is you need to scroll down to lay-by. But let's say for now the customer says, I want to pay 7,000 Rand cash right now. Then you type in, remember first of all, always the amount, 7,000. And he's paying cash. So you click on cash, and that brings the total still owed by the customer. This amount will now have to be on lay-by because the customer said, my sister will come tomorrow and pay another 10,000 Rand as an example. What you then need to do is you need to click on the lay-by button. So this will indicate that the customer has paid the 7,000 Rand and there's still a balance of 20,000 Rand and 20 Rand outstanding. You can then click on complete the sale. You can print this receipt for the customer so that the customer can also see what he still owes to Wasani or NLA. Right, so let's say the following day the customer, the Peter Maleta's sister is now coming in and she wants to pay another 10,000 Rand for the products that they have bought. Again, make sure that you are logged in on your own name. You go back again to the main menu here and you click on customers because you now need to go search for Mr. Peter Maleta. Click on customers, and in the search field, I will then type Peter Maleta and press enter on my keyboard. And here Mr. Peter Maleta's details appear. So again, you will go to view sales on the right hand side. You click on view sales. You then need to click on the blue button again to access the sales items that the customer has bought. Make sure that you are logged in on your name. You need to click on your name. And there are all the items appearing that this customer wants to buy. You then click on pay for items. And here it shows that is still the amount that the customer is owing. So remember, the customer already paid 7,000 Rand the previous day. The sister is now coming in and she wants to pay 10,000 Rand with the card. Now you type in 10,000 Rand. And You click on card because it's a card payment that the customer wants to make. And that then indicates this amount is still owed by the customer, 10,020 Rand. Now the sister is saying, okay, another family member will come in tomorrow to pay the balance amount on this. Again, you go down and you click on lay-by again because the full amount has not yet been paid. I click on lay-by and that shows the total amount that is still owed by the customer before the sale can be completed. But for now, you would click on complete sale because it's still on lay-by. You again print the receipt for the customer so that they can see what they still owe. And let's say again, now it is the following day and another family member is coming in to pay the balance amount on the products that they want. So make sure that you are logged in on your name. You go again to customers. You need to search for that customer. It's Mr. Peter Maleta. I press on enter on my keyboard and here it shows Mr. Peter Maleta. It already shows the amount that the customer still owes. It says here there's an amount of 10,020 that's still owed by the customer. You click on view sales. Again, you click on that blue arrow. Make sure that it is your name that you are logged in. You click on your name. Again, all the items appear on this screen. You click on pay. And on this screen, you will indicate to the customer that the amount still outstanding is the 10,020 Rand. The family member says, okay, that amount I will pay via cash, the complete amount, the balance of it. So then you click on cash and it will now show that the lay-by is complete. All monies have been paid. You then click on complete sale. You print the receipt. You hand that receipt to the customer and that then concludes your sale for a lay-by. Thank you.